This is Biotronix class 4 physiotherapy laser. You can see this is the class 4 laser, not the class 3. This is 10 watt power laser and 10 watt and 980 nanometer. So this is the professional device, and you can see this is the latest professional device, and this is the imported one. You can see this is the main unit. This is the touch screen, and this is the emergency switch. This is the key. This is the probe. You can see the quality of the product. Probe. This is 10 watt probe. This is the switch of the probe, and these are the two attachments. This is one. If the doctor want to use like this, he or she can use like this. If he want to use the same away from the skin, he can plug in that attachment and can use away from the skin. Now I am plugging it out, and this is the second attachment with the lens, and you can see it can be plugged in like this and can be used. There is a interlock switch. This is the interlock switch that has to be connected at the base on all the laser devices. If the same will not be there, the device will not on and it will not provide the beam. So that interlock switch has to be plugged in from the behind. And this is the handle where you can put the handle and all, and the probe handle holder, and these are the glasses. You can see these are the professional glasses. The permittable 800 to 1100 nanometer. It will protect you from the 800 to 1100 nanometer. One for the doctor, one for the patient, and these are the carry box. You can see the quality of the product with the protection glasses. There are two like this. This is the USB port, and this is the aluminum carry box for the device. So you can see this is the handle. This is the you can also put the device like this in the stationary form, or these are the handles, or you can move the same because there are wheels at the base, and this is the handle to carry the same from here to there. So you can see the quality of the box, you can see the quality of the glasses, the carry box, the attachment, the laser, and everything. And you can see that probe length. This is the probe length. This is the probe length. The doctor can use that probe from very much away from the device. So this is a professional heavy duty advanced class 4 laser. Now I will give you the demo of the device. I just switch it on from the back side. You can see the Biotronix Solution Forever. It's loading. Now you can see the touch. You can see the screen. There are 10 treatment areas, 10 treatment physiotherapy areas: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, shoulder, knee, hip, wrist, ankle, elbow, foot. So you have to select any of the same. The area where you need to treat. Like I select the wrist one, and the same will be highlighted. Then I will put confirm. Select the confirm. Now you can see its alarm button is glowing in the screen, and E key is you can see the word E key. So this is the key. When you will rotate the key from off to on, that indication will be gone, and that alarm indication will also go. So that is now the device is ready to use. And when I put the same in the standby, like I take the probe out, before showing you the demo of the same, I need to wear the protection glasses. Always wear the protection glasses before using the laser. So I have put the protection glasses. Now you can see I press the standby. Now you can see laser is ready, and you can see the probe is now activated and it's showing laser, but it's not giving me the output. It's just showing me the laser. Before starting the same, I will show you all the parameters and all. It's power. Like I'm selecting the 10 watt, the maximum power, and you can see this is the time section. Like I selected 15 minutes, confirm, and this is the continuous mode. This is the pulse mode. In the continuous mode, pulse width and pulse width have nothing to do with the same. In the pulse mode, I can select the same and put some value which I need. Now I will show you the same demo of the same in the continuous loop. I am using the maximum power 10 watt. I will put the same for few seconds on my hand and show you. Because within the seconds I will start, within the 1 or 2 seconds I will start getting the heat of the same, because it's a high intensity laser. It is a hot laser, so I will get the heat from the same. And so I won't use the same on my hand for a larger period of time, because I don't have any injury on my hand. I'm just giving you the demo. Then I will take it out and show the same on the black paper, where I will put the laser and the black paper will start burning off, and you will see the same. So stand by. Ready? Putting laser. So it was quite much intensity from the so I am keep on revolving the same, and because if I will concentrate on some particular area, I will be getting too much heat on the same. So within the seconds I have started feeling the heat, and the same is still hitting on my hand. So this is the intensity of the laser. So now I will use the same on the burnt paper and will show you the intensity. How much 10 watts is, and you can see these are the black areas, and I'll just put and started the laser. You can see that the same is burning now. You see the black area is getting burned. So this is the power and the intensity of the laser, and you can see it was the maximum 10 watt. Doctor can use lesser if the patient feel discomfort with the heat, or doctor can use that attachment if the patient feel too much heat. So because this is a hot laser, this is the high intensity laser, you will have to face the heat with the same, because so according to the same, doctor can adjust the power and all. So now I switch it off. This is the energy I have got since when I am using the same on my hand. So this will be calculated and shown over here. So this was the demo for the device. This is the class 4 laser, 10 watt, 980 millimeter, and now I go back, and these are the various other treatment areas you can select. So thank you for watching.